But I thought the three of us were a team. I thought that's what made us special.
I'm not asking you twice, Knuckles. Where is the Master Emerald?
Your heart is being consumed by anger, Hedgehog. You are in no condition to make decisions right now.
I know you're upset about Tom. We all are.
Last chance. Where is it? Guys, I'm really sorry for running off like that. I shouldn't have left you behind. The truth is, you're the best teammates a Hedgehog could ever ask for. And the best friends. Can you ever forgive me?
Team, son.
How about just team?
Broke into a million pieces and we can't go